Hello everyone and welcome back to 305 Film Studios. We're back again with another unboxing, and this time it's more close to home, more close to the brand and what we're doing here. We have the Seagate one-touch portable storage, 5 terabytes here. So this is a great get. I started off making videos and making content semi-regularly in 2016, and I've been needing hard drives and using hard drives for the longest time, because when you're working with an abundance of content and when you want to keep your stuff together and you want to keep stuff for either future demo reels or just to have to then potentially show clients and potentially put up on YouTube, you need hard drives. Now, in a perfect world, you would simply use the drive that you have on your PC, but again, for all the content that we put out and for all the content that we use, we need stuff like external hard drives to be able to dump the stuff that we use later on. So this is a portable terabyte that uses USB 3.0 for the port. So please take that in mind when you are purchasing this product, because some PCs and some Macs and whatnot may not be compatible with USB 3.0. You'll have to check your system requirements here. It should be, I believe, the USB 3.0. It has that little blue line around it. You'll be able to know. So it's 5 terabytes. It is compatible, according to this, it is compatible with both Windows and Mac. So you'll be able to use it for both. So right here, we are going to take a look at this, and then from there we'll be able to then talk more about kind of general setup and whatnot and what you need. And yeah, so we're going to open this guy up. I have my trusty multi-tool. I'm gonna see if I can just open this like a savage and just tear it. This is the part. Let's see. How do you open this thing? How do you open this thing? I'm gonna just stab and open. That's not gonna work. I got an idea. Take the screwdriver, and now I'm going to simply use force. Just trying to get underneath. There we go. Okay. Before we go any further, I think this will be a great time to talk about investing in some pliers and whatnot. We have pliers, but I'm too stubborn to go and get, especially going this deep in the video. So I will simply just tear it using my bare hands and just go at it like an ape. But you want to get some proper tools for something like this. Evidently, they used the same material for Wolverine's claws that they did with the plastic here. So actually, all you really need is some scissors. Oh, look at that. It's much easier. Ah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, well, I could have just done that. Okay. All right. You live and you learn, folks. Ah. Ah. Okay. We got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got the hard drive out. There you go. And oh my God, there's more. All right, so it provides provides a manual. Provides a manual. And here's what I was talking about the blue USB 3.0, and here we have the connector for the actual hard drive itself. There you go. And there you have it. After killing this box, my God, Costco and your packaging. Here we have our Seagate One Touch portable storage device. And now we are going to go ahead and check it out and see how it hooks up to my PC. So now we're here on my PC, just opened up a file explorer here, and see we have One Touch, and if we go over here, we can click properties, and we can see that it is 5 terabytes, but it looks like, yes, 5 terabytes, and the user space is 41 megabytes. Yes, that's all these files here. So we're going to start, here we see start here Mac, start here Windows, start here Chromebook. We're gonna go start here Windows. Okay, so from here, we're going to register and kind of go from here. So here, you're able to sign up and then kind of go through the various steps on setting your storage here up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So after you get through all that, now you've registered your device, then you can pretty much get started from there. I would also recommend that you go over here to format, and then you can format your hard drive from there. It's set to NTFS right now as the default, and then if you want, you can choose exFAT, so you'd be able to utilize the hard drive on both PC and Mac, but for my purposes, I'm simply going to use the regular NTFS so that way I could just dump footage from there. So yeah, format, do that, yeah. Okay, format complete, close that. And now we're here. Now we can go ahead and just here, I'll just create a folder just to test it out. Test folder over here, drag that sucker on, boom, and now we can dump. When we go over to properties, and we have, there you go, five whole terabytes for me to be able to dump stuff here. And yeah, so it's compatible with both Windows and Mac, and you can format it as such so that you can get the most out of it. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Apologies for all of this when the scissors just seem to work. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.